FixMe, an intelligent, real-time automobile technician finder platform designed to bridge the gap between stranded vehicle owners and skilled service providers. In a world where on-demand assistance is vital, FixMe emerges as a practical and scalable solution to a real-world problem. We have built this product using a software development lifecycle, SDLC-based approach, ensuring maintainability, scalability, and user-centric design at every step. Let's dive into how the system operates. This is the FixMe website. Even as a guest customer, you are immediately presented with an interactive map showcasing all registered service providers. Purple markers indicate individual mobile technicians. Orange markers denote service centers. Upon selecting any marker, the system prompts login for a personalized experience. Once logged in as a customer, you are directed to the customer dashboard. Under the Technicians tab, you can search technicians by name, if known. View all nearby technicians sorted by ascending distance from your current location. Access technician profiles where you can review customer-submitted ratings and reviews. Messaging feature to directly communicate your issue. Request for assistance feature that notifies the technician. Now let's log in as a technician. The technician dashboard displays new incoming requests. Upon viewing a request, technicians can see the customer's location. If available, the technician can accept the request, triggering the advance payment phase. Advance payment is auto-calculated based on the geographical distance between customer and technician, handled seamlessly by our backend. After payment, the customer is redirected to an active contract page. Here's how the two-step OTP verification process works. Arrival OTP, one-time password, is shared with the technician upon arrival to validate physical presence. Once verified, the contract status becomes ongoing. Once the work is done, the customer taps Finish Contract, triggering a second completion OTP. The technician enters this code to formally close the contract. This OTP-based validation ensures trust and transparency throughout the service process. After closing the contract, the system prompts the customer to leave a rating and review. Additionally, customers can use our Smart Technician Recommender by specifying the issue, vehicle type, and preferences, e.g., proximity versus rating importance. The system uses multi-factor ranking to recommend best-fit technicians. Under the appointment section, customers can book service center slots by providing name, date, and time. Confirmed appointments are listed under a dedicated tab. Directions, estimated travel time, and distance to the service center are available via map integration. FixMe also includes a marketplace. Customers can browse spare parts and make secure purchases. Products are delivered directly by our logistics partner. Service centers can manage and upload inventory to the platform with ease. Technicians have access to a community feed where they can share completed work with photos. Connect with the FixMe team for support. Manage their skills, specializations, and service categories. Update availability status, available, unavailable. Only available technicians are included in recommendations. View their completed contracts and payment transactions. Let's now log in as a service center. The Service Center dashboard shows all upcoming customer appointments. To confirm arrival, the customer must share an OTP, just like technician visits, enforcing arrival verification. Service centers can also manage their marketplace inventory and request help from FixMe's support team. FixMe was developed with precision, care, and an industry-grade SDLC approach, tackling a real-world challenge of accessing reliable auto repair assistance. Our product is more than a simple technician finder. It's an ecosystem that ensures trust, quality, accountability, and convenience for both customers and service providers. Coming next, we are planning to extend FixMe with cutting-edge AI technologies, AI-driven technician recommendations based on past performance, issue similarity, and user preferences, machine learning models to dynamically estimate service costs, optimize technician allocation, and forecast demand, predictive analytics to support advanced payments and maintenance scheduling. Thank you for experiencing FixMe, and we look forward to revolutionizing the way roadside and garage support is delivered in Sri Lanka and beyond.